And we are back. We are going to tighten the tension line on a deer buster's fence. This is the top row, and I was making a video before and well, I lost grip on the cable and it went all the way back there, so I had to string it back. And then what I did is I put it through the gripple. Okay, there's this part called a gripple. Okay, and as you can see, I cut the line and then you slide. I'm gonna flip you around, might be easier. Okay, you cut the line, you slide one this way, one this way. As you can see, I'm tightening that line. There's a lot of slack in this one because I made such a long run. But I have a special tool that will help tighten this line. I'm going to set you down and show you how that works. Right there. Okay, so normally you won't have this much line. Let me cut a little bit. Fucking mother. I'm not starting over again just because of a little swear word. That's the Marine in me. All right, right there. We have a lot of extra line here, so I'm just gonna cut some off. And then we still have a little extra here, but now we take this tool, put it, slide it over the edge of this, slide the line in, and then sometimes it doesn't like to stay on there very well, and then the line goes through here. And now we'll go on the top. All right. We got a ways to go yet. See, it's supposed to slide back down, but here, well, you can see basically I don't want to look like a fool while this little tiny thing makes me look like a dipshit and incompetent. But anyway, it will be tight in a second and I'll show you. I'm gonna do a walk around as soon as I get all these lines in, the tension line, and then I'm ready to start hanging the fence. See you soon.